Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do a box of Trilogy Hockey for Nutcracker33. Good luck, Tom. No McDavid's pulled from this inner yet. Tom will have the right to go till he wants to stop. Corey Schneider, Claude Giroux, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, and next in line, Anton Slepyshev. Right team, wrong player. Antoine Slepyshev. So, Tom, I'll just send the insert over. I don't think, unless you want me to think those have any value on COMC. But it's just the insert, I think. What did I just do with that? Good luck, Tom. Box time. Yep, Bill is here, Justin. He's doing BGS orders for us right now. We got Dylan Larkin out of 999, level 1. Nice start. 935. If that ever wants to focus. There we go. 935 of 999. Dylan Larkin. We got dummy and base. He has us up, Dub. He's reading the chat. Duchesne, Ryan Miller, and nice two-color 160 of 250 Connor McDavid patch, or two-color jersey. Looks like jersey material on both, but it is two-color. Congrats, Nutcracker Tom. Die cut out of 250. Connor McDavid. Still gotta get that auto though. Alright. Yeah? You want me to take pictures of these for you? You know which one's yours? Maybe. Mikko Rantanen, 196 of 199. I'll write him down in a sec.
I'll take pictures.
Okay. Mikko Rantanen. David is a McDavid. Yep. We gotta get the auto now, though. Mikko Rantanen auto to 399, level 1. We got a redemption, and it's super thick. Super thick redemption. I'm gonna save that to the end. Now we got another die cut. It is Henrik Samuelsson for the Arizona Coyotes. That one is 114 of 250 on the die cut. Triptych, not tri-tip. Triptych. Then we have Kyle Bond, 43 of 99. 43 of 999, sorry. 43 of 999, level 1. Kyle Bond. I know. Potvin, Carey Price, and 571 career assists. Pavel Datsyuk. 3 of 571. We got a Mark Messier base. 3 of 571 on the Pavel Datsyuk. Insert number. Should have one more numbered card in here. And then the redemption should be an autograph. Rookie Premiers, Fabry at a 999 level 1. Robbie Fabry is 8 of 999. Alright. And there was a base, 2 base behind there. 1 base caught up in there. We got our 4 numbered, our 2 jerseys, 1 autograph, and this should be the other autograph. So good luck, man. Trilogy signature pucks, primary logos, no numbering. For the Kings, Marcel Dion. Marcel Dion puck autograph. Hall of Famer, Marcel Dion. Again, thanks, Tom. He's going to send the inserts and everything else.